Okay, I thought I'd do a video on what's in my bag. Why would I ride around with this thing on the back? Well, it's very important. Motorcycles get flat. And instead of standing there with my thumb up my ass waiting for a tow truck, I'd rather be able to fix it. So here's an overview of what's in there. We have a cargo net, which is very important. It comes in super handy. A Ducati hat, because it's sunny in California all the time. And when you're half bald, that's a kind of a necessity. Extra pair of glasses for riding at night. Those are clear lens. And then all the other stuff is just tire repair. So my main means of airing up a tire is with CO2 cartridges. And I get these ones. They're 25 gram, they're large. 2 of them will fill a back tire, and even one will get you down the road, but I carry enough so that I can make sure I get a good solid tire. You have the Dana plugs, extra Dana plugs down here, cement. I also carry rope plugs for larger holes. This tool comes in handy because it's all in one. I like it very much. USB, so I don't got to take off the seat. And here is my backup in case I run out of CO2, but this pump is a slime pump with the body removed. Then I just put a new plug on the end of it, made a custom cable, and that is for emergencies where I don't have any CO2. I always carry an electric pump. Little screwdriver for suspension changes, and that's pretty much it. Everything goes in the little bags, nice and tidy. Everything works good. I'm not calling a tow truck for a flat tire. Have a good day.